Very good morning, my friends and YouTube channel viewers. Myself, Dr. M.H. Annaya, and in today's YouTube video, I am going to tell you about the analysis of a given problem on lines, how to proceed along with the solution for the given question. Friends, in today's video, I am going to cover two problems on lines, and both of these problems and lines are very important. And friends, the first question for today's video reads like this. There is a line AB. It measures 70 in the front view and 80 in the top view, and the end A is 20 from both HP and VP. So they have given us one of the end points. They have given us the front view and the top view. And we have been asked to determine what is the true length of the line TL, what is theta, the angle made by the line with the HP, what is phi, the angle made by the line with the VP. Friends, let us start or go ahead with the solution by marking the XY line, which is the line of intersection of VP and HP, and mark on this line VP and HP indicating first angle projection. As I told you in all my previous videos on lines, that in all the problems on lines, one of the endpoints of the line is always defined. That is, information is given how to obtain the front view and top view of that point. Friends, they say the point A of the end A is 20 from both HP and VP. So it is 20 in front of VP, 20 above HP. And friends, here we can obtain A dash and A, the front and top views. A dash is the front view, A is the top view, and the distance is 20 above HP for both the front and top views. So I will call this as 20 specified. So one of the endpoints should always be specified in the question. So we have done this. DEP is equal to 50 millimeter, the distance between end projector. You know, friends, an end projector is a line or an imaginary line that is connecting the front view and top view of a point. So here A dash here represents one of the end points, and the other end B dash B is at a distance of 50 So I'll write another line parallel to this at a distance of 50 I've marked it as DEP, and that is given to be 50 So I will use this data about the distance between the end projector. So above the XY line you should get B dash, and below the XY line you should get B. So when you get B, you can join to A, obtain AB, the top view. When you're having B dash here, join A dash B dash to obtain the front view of the line. And what other data is given is the front view measures 70. Front view means A dash B dash, that is equal to 70 and top view measures 80 Top view is AB, that is equal to 80 millimeter. Friends, we have got A dash. You know very well that B dash falls on this. So this is the front view. Front view is 70. So taking A dash as center and radius equal to A dash B dash, the front view, I just draw an arc to cut the vertical line, that is this end projector, at this point, and very obviously this is going to be our B dash. So A dash B dash is the front view of the line, and that measures 70 millimeter. Friends, on the same line, you have the end A in the top view. Top view is AB, that is 80 mm. Taking A dash, A as center, radius equal to 80 mm. I am going to draw an arc to cut this line at this point, and this point is very obviously the end B, that is AB. If you join A and B, friends, you are going to get the top view. So I will mark here, top view is equal to 80 millimeter. So this is front view and top view. You have got, friends. After getting this front view and top view, it is very easy to obtain the true length of the line in both front and top views, and also the angle made by the line with HP and VP. Friends, this is the procedure we follow. So we have this front view. You can draw an arc with center A dash and A dash B dash radius, strike an arc. This arc will cut here, this A dash, say at this point 1. From there, point 1, you write a vertical line straight downward. So this is going to cut the locus of B at point B1. You know, AB1 is the true length of the line. So I am going to join A and B1, and this will give you the true length of the line. I will put a question mark. That is, you can measure that length of the line. And friends, with the same true length, taking A dash as center, you can draw another arc. That is this length with A dash center. I am going to draw another arc to cut the locus of this B at point B1 dash. So friends, A dash B1 dash will give you or will represent the true length of the line. And once you have the true length in both front and top view, you can find out what is theta. Theta means the angle made by the line with the HP can be measured. Similarly, what is the angle made by the true length line AB1 with VP? That is called phi. So you can measure what is the angle made by the line with the reference planes, namely HP and VP. They might also ask you to find out what is the distance of the end B from HP. So you can just measure the distance between these two lines. This is the distance of B from HP. I put a question mark, means you can just measure that. Finally, you can also measure what is the distance of the end B from VP. So you can just keep a scale and measure the distance between XY and this locus. Friends, I hope you are able to follow the procedure to obtain the projections of the line and how to measure the true length and its inclinations with HP and VP. If you have followed, friends, we will go ahead with the solution for the second question in the same video. Friends, the second question in the video is, there is a line AB, the end A is on HP and 20 mm from VP. Friends, remember, these are also very important problem, particularly this problem is very important. So end A is on HP and 20 mm from VP. Friends, whenever a point is on HP, irrespective of its distance from the VP, whether it is here, here, anywhere from VP, the front view of that point is seen as a point on XY. So friends, to commence, I am going to draw an XY line, and this XY line is the line of intersection of VP and HP, and mark VP and HP, the representation for the first angle projection. The end A, for any problem one of the ends of the line will always be given. He says the end A is on HP, my palm is the HP, and it is 20 mm from VP. So I told you A dash, the front view lies on XY, and the other point is at a distance of 20 millimeter from VP. From VP in front of VP is one and the same. This is going to be the point A, the top view of the end A. Front view is A dash. Friends, now the end P is on VP. So whenever a point is on VP, on this board, friends, the front view is seen above the XY line, and the top view, when you see that the point is here, here, wherever it is, when you look from the top, the shadow of that point falls on XY. That is the top view will be on XY. So way to draw that. But he has also given DEP equal to 30. DEP means the distance between the end projectors of the line is given to be 30 mm. So we have got A dash here, and I am going to draw a line here, a line parallel to A dash A at a distance of 30 mm. I will mark it as DEP, and this DEP is equal to 30 mm. So this line you can get. Friends, very obviously B dash lies somewhere here and B will be on the XY. Now, the end B is on VP 50 mm above. So friends, from here I will take a distance of 50 mm and obtain the point. That point is going to be B dash. So B dash is the front view of the end B. Since the point is on VP, its top view is seen on the same line on XY. And this is going to be the point B. So we got the front view and top view of both the ends of the line. Now, if you join A dash and B dash, you will get A dash, B dash, the front view of the line. This is our front view. If they ask you to measure the length, you can keep a scale and find out how much the length is. Friends, A and B, if you join A and B, this line A and AB will give you the top view of the line. You have got the front view, you have got the top view, you have the loci of the end B and that of A. Friends, after getting these 4 points A dash A, B dash B, getting the true length, getting theta, getting phi is very easy. So what is to be done, friend? Now I will take A dash as center, A dash B dash radius. I am going to draw an arc. So I am going to take center A dash, radius equal to front view length, strike an arc to meet the locus of the end B at this point. That is going to be B1, because I have told you in all my previous videos online that B and B1 should lie on the same line. So friends, this is A, this is B1. By definition, this AP1 is the true length of the line. So friends, I am going to join A and B1 here. So this will give you the true length of the line, and this will give you what is the angle made by the true length, that is this line with VP. So this angle can be measured. Friends, you have got different view number 1, top view 2, true length you have got. And I told you true length will have the same length both above the XY line and below the XY line. Friends, I know the true length. Taking B A dash as center, this length as the radius, strike an arc here. To cut the locus of this B here. This point is going to be B1 dash. And if you join A dash and B1 dash, this will give you the true length I will represent the true length because this length, that is AB1 is equal to A dash B1 dash is equal to true length. And friends, once you have this true length, you can also measure this angle. That angle is called theta, the angle made by the line with the HP. You can measure this DEP. Already they have given. Friends, at the same question, they might ask you to obtain the distance of the end B from HP. So friends, you can write a vertical line through this and find out what is the distance. This is distance of B from HP, the end B from HP. So we can measure this. So we have got all the information required in the question. Friends, please go through the complete video, and if you like the video, do share with all your friends without fail. And friends, such of those who are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. And I thank you all for watching my YouTube video. Have a wonderful day.